Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great today. My name is Ria, and today in this video, I'll explain the reason behind the problem that why you are not able to speak in English. You can understand English, but when it comes to speak in English, you are unable to do that. So, let's just get into the video. Okay, so for example, like whatever you watch, like whatever English related content videos you watch, like a movie or a podcast or whatever it is that you watch, you can easily understand them, but you are not able to speak in English, right? So that is the problem. Okay, so now that you have the kind of good understanding, like the understanding that you have built, that now you are able to understand whatever you watch English related content videos. How did you build that? Let me just ask you a question. Okay, so how did you build the kind of good understanding that you have right now, that you can easily understand whatever you watch? So honestly, okay, so for example, when you were at a complete beginner level, did you have the same kind of understanding that now you have about whenever you watch English related content videos? I guess it's no, right? So when you were a beginner, you were just, you might have been able to understand what you were watching little by little, but when you kept continued watching English related content videos, podcast, or whatever it was, so that's how you gradually were able to finally understand everything that you watch. Now you have a great understanding about whatever English related content videos you watch, right? So honestly, I would say there is only one thing I want to say here, that okay, so you did everything, like you watched podcast, movies, or you spend hours watching movies, podcast, and whatever you watched to improve your English understanding. Like, like now that you have the understanding, right? So you did everything to be able to understand what you are watching. So at this point, I would say just try to start practicing English speaking. Like, you are now, I would say that you are now one step away from being able, like from becoming able to speak English fluently. I understand that it is not possible to speak in English, like speak fluent English from the day one, but you know that is very easy. That is very easy. You you have to apply the same method you did when you started watching related content videos to improve your understanding about this language, right? So you also have to start practicing English speaking. Like, you don't really have to speak complex sentences. Start speaking small sentences. Start speaking about your day routine, about your day life, about your hobbies. So whatever you find easy to talk about in English, try to speak. First of all, I would say, just, you know, I would say, like, we have got 24 hours in a day, but can we not just give it 1 minute to our English speaking practice? Yeah, so that's how you are going to improve your English speaking skills. And to improve your English speaking skills, you have to start speaking in English. Okay, so you have to start speaking about small sentences just for 1 minute and without taking pauses. And even if it's hard, it's difficult, I would say, when you start speaking in English for just 1 minute without taking pause, it I would say it is very difficult. It is also challenging. It might feel challenging, but you have to do that and stay consistent with your English speaking practice. That's how you are going to build the good, like, you are going to become fluent in your English speaking abilities. And honestly, I used to be like that. Like, I also went through the same phase now that you are going through, like. So I would say, to fix this problem that you are not able to speak in English, you have to start speaking in English. Like anything, like just describe about your situation, just speak small sentences, and that's a very easy way to start speaking in English. So honestly, if you do that, for if you start speaking about your day routine, about how you spend your day, so if you try to speak in English in about these things, so within a week you will be able to speak basic common sentences that we used to speak in our everyday life. Okay, so that's where you will be able to speak in English, like basic English sentences. And that's how I also started to, speak in English. And there was no way, like, I would say there's no way to be able to speak in English. Just you are just thinking, you are just watching videos right now. So I would say all your focus now should be about start practicing English speaking and stay consistent with your English speaking practice. Okay, so now you don't really have to watch English related content videos for us, but now it's time to start practicing English speaking just for 1 minute, 2 minutes every single day. And that's how you are going to become better at your English speaking abilities. Okay, so I would say, when I started speaking English, like, I also started it from this way. Like within a week I was able to speak basic common sentences, like everyday English related sentences. So I would say you also should start it from this way. And also I would say that, when I started speaking English, I was not comfortable speaking in front of my family members. So I started to, speak. I started to practice my English speaking at the rooftop, or at in a room when I'm all alone. So that's way I'm not going to feel uncomfortable, because it was my, like, it was beginning, like, yeah, so it was the initial days of my English speaking practice. So because of that, I was just thinking it was not, you know doing a self talk or practicing English speaking by all alone by yourself feels quite not comfortable. So that's why I started to practice my English speaking this way. So you also if you feel uncomfortable speaking in front of your family members of, or your, or in front of your friends or anyone, just speak try to practice your English speaking. Find a quiet peaceful place where you feel comfortable, and then start to practice your English speaking. So yeah, and stay consistent with your English speaking practice. So first of all, you have to start speaking small English sentences. And you have to start about your, try to speak about your day routine, your day life, about your morning routine, about how you spend your day. So that's the best way to start practicing your English speaking. And I hope if you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.